Give me the knife.
Oh no, I can find another player on your team to switch with. That way we can stay together and keep...
Mom, please. You know how bad your knees are. As soon as we're in the game room, then those assholes with their knives will be on us like a pack of wolves. If you and I try to stick together the whole time, they're gonna hunt us down.
Oh no, I know my son. Even if you had one of these, you couldn't kill anyone. Even when you were a kid, you'd get in those fights in the neighborhood. You'd get so beat up because you'd just stand there. You'd never even thrown a punch, Jony, let alone kill anyone.